If the bulb burned and you need to change it, getting on a chair is not always the best option, because if one of the legs breaks or the chair is hammocked, you will end up falling and causing a possible irreparable injury. Today, I will teach you an incredible trick that will help you change the burned bulbs quickly, easily, and safely, so you don't have to wait for your husband's help if you are alone at home, and you don't risk falling off a chair either. To do this trick, you will need a plastic bottle of 500 milliliters and also a stick of the ones that usually have the brooms. The first thing you should do is cut the bottle more or less at this point that I am showing you. For this, you will need the help of a scissor or a knife. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting at the end of the videos. Once you finish cutting the bottle, the next thing is to remove the lid. Then take the stick of the broom that you had reserved and place it in the mouth of the bottle, just as I am showing you. Normally, the mouth of these bottles and the stick of the broom have a similar size, so it should fit well. Squeeze very well so that it does not loosen. This is all you need. It may seem silly and very simple to do, but soon you will see how it works, since it is quite useful. Pay attention to this. Here I have a burnt lamp. Look how simple this is. You just have to screw the bulb and turn the stick gently to remove it, just as I am showing you. What we did is a very useful tool. We lower the bulb and here we have it. The next thing we will do is change it for a new one. I will place it in the bottle cut and I will do a little pressure. You will notice how it will fit. Most of us women are afraid of changing the bulb so as not to fall, and we end up waiting for someone to help us. My grandmother, for example, if she fell from a chair, it would be very dangerous. Do not see this as another video you saw on the internet, but rather as information that could take care of yours. Today's greeting is for Meche Nuno from the United States and for Angela Luna from Mexico. Both are subscribers who contribute to our channel. Thank you very much for your support. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings. Until next time!